Gye buvuddeko akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda kalangirira Nalukoola ng'omuwanguzi w'akalulu k'e Kawempe North nga kati ekibadde kirindiriddwa lwe lunaku lw'anajja mu Paalamenti okukuba ebirayiro bye. Kati olwaleero omubaka wa Kira Municipality Ibrahim Ssemujjunganda n'omubaka w'e Rwemiyaga Theodore Ssekikubo babuuzizza Sipiika wa Paalamenti lwaki Honorable Nalukoola n'okutuuka kati tannaba kulayira.
The Honorable Mike Mawanda was declared a winner like today. The following day he was sworn in. Madam Speaker, as the head of this institution, can you get us to know when the Honorable Nalukoola will be sworn in? The Honorable Mawanda was sworn in 24 hours. He was here.
Honorable members.
Then second, if you allow
processes. Now, it's not fair to hide behind the President's statement as if the President has taken over the Constitution. It shouldn't have stopped the Electoral Commission from exercising its constitutional mandate by declaring and indeed gazetting a successful candidate. I would therefore wish that this House, Right Honourable Speaker, puts it on record that we are increasingly getting dismayed by the conduct of the Electoral Commission in the affairs of Kawempe North by-elections.
Mu kwanukula Sipiika wa Paalamenti alaze ng'akakiiko aka Paalamenti bwe katannateeka linnya lya Nalukoola mu kyapa ng'omubaka wa Paalamenti omulonde.
When a member wins, I wait for a gazette. When I get a gazette, that's when I swear in the member. So I'm waiting for a gazette. I need to hear from Electoral Commission before I do a gazette.
Akiikiridde oludda lwa gavumenti mu Paalamenti olwaleero Honorable David Bahati alaze nga bw'atalina kyakwogera ku nsonga eno kubanga Pulezidenti yasalawo wabeerewo okunoonyereza ekintu ekitabudde ababaka.
His Excellency the President issued a statement regarding the situation in Kawempe, and I'm not adding a word to that.
Joel Ssenyonyi nga yakulira oludda oluvuganya gavumenti mu Paalamenti alaze okutya olw'emivuyo egyali e Kawempe egyatuusa n'okukuba bannamawulire embooko.
Honestly, when some ministers here do rise up and they say this is bad, this is terrible, it's pretense because nobody is held responsible. It appears that's the position of government, because if it were not, government should be holding accountable all those who are doing these things. Somebody did say that those who are doing these things are doing them in favor of the opposition, so that we get sympathy. Why do you not take action? How many people have been held responsible for beating leaders, beating supporters in an election, beating up journalists, many of whom are still nursing injuries? Honorable Speaker, we want to know. It's not enough that you keep condemning. Now the Electoral Commission has not gazetted the person that won the Kawempe North by-election. We did follow up with the Electoral Commission, and they told us that they're still sorting out internal issues. We don't know what that means, because in the past, as we are saying, it's been done in record time.
Kati ekirindiriddwa lwe lunaku akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda lwe kanaateeka erinnya lya Nalukoola mu kyapa era ne kawandiikira ne kalaani wa Paalamenti mu butongole ku buwanguzi bwa Nalukoola. Ssabugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggulire lino ku KTV Amalindirire.